Enabling biometric login for your Bank of America account can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Update the Bank of America app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Bank of America mobile app installed on your device. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the app settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled biometric login or fingerprint/face ID. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. You may need to authenticate your identity again. Step 5. Confirm and test. After enabling biometric login, exit the settings and log out of your account. Then, try logging back and using your fingerprint or face recognition to ensure that the feature is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login for your Bank of America account, making your banking experience more secure and efficient.